Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a picture or visualization that you just created on Napkin AI to your computer in an SVG format. So that format is very useful for anyone that wants to modify the color, position, icon of the design that was created on Napkin AI. Anyway, I have this design and I want to download this to my computer. So just click on this export button on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you can select the SVG format, and then you can change the settings for the napkin logo, the color mode, whether it is going to be light or dark mode, and also whether you want to use background, transparent, or just regular background. And after that, let's click the download button. And by the way, you can actually click the clipboard button if you want to just quickly copy and paste the design into an appropriate program. So in this case, I'll try to click this button. And I'll open this boxy SVG editor, which is basically a simple SVG editor that is available on the web. And I'm going to remove this design, which I don't need. Let me remove that. And then I can right click and then paste. And you'll see that the design is now here. This is the same SVG file from this one. And also it's the same file as the one that I just downloaded to my computer. It is exactly the same item. Now, if you want to do editing, you can explore all the features in this tool. I'm honestly not a designer, so I know very little about SVG, but if you want to change the text, for example, you can click this text menu, and then you can select the text that you want to change, and just delete the things that you want to remove, and then you can change it with anything else. So that's the power of using the SVG format. It is versatile, it is always editable with any appropriate program. Anyway, that's how you can download the SVG format of the picture that you created on Napkin AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.